Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford F150 versus the Toyota Hilux. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which truck best suits your needs. The F150 boasts a diverse lineup of engines, including V6 and V8 options, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. Meanwhile, the Hilux is celebrated worldwide for its legendary durability and ability to handle challenging conditions, making it a true workhorse. When it comes to raw capability, the F150 often leads with a higher maximum towing capacity, sometimes over 13,500 pounds, making it ideal for heavy loads. The Hilux, while still very capable, typically offers a payload capacity around 200 pounds, perfect for demanding work. Both trucks provide practical bed sizes, but the F150 generally offers more interior space and advanced tech features. The Hilux has built its reputation on being incredibly tough and reliable, often excelling in the most challenging terrains globally. Its robust chassis and suspension are designed for endurance. The F150, especially with specialized off-road trims, provides sophisticated four-wheel drive systems and enhanced ground clearance, making it highly capable for adventurous trails and rugged landscapes. Both are built to last, but with different philosophies. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. The F150 often offers a wider range of configurations, luxury features, and higher towing limits, appealing to those needing a versatile, powerful truck. The Hilux, with its unwavering reliability and robust build, is a top choice for demanding work and extreme conditions, often holding strong resale value. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.